Hey, what's going on? Today I want to go over a little something that we've been working on here at the shop. We're doing basically another options for a wagon diff. I know these wagon diff could go anywhere from like 2,500 all the way to like 10,000. So basically that's just way too much for some of these people want to spend, you know, on diff. So we came up with another diff that we could use. We did this like 4 years ago, but we kind of stopped a little bit. So this is actually the new diff that we're going to be using, and this diff is much stronger than the wagon. You can see between the size and all that. It's a little bit, it's like 12 pounds heavier, 12, 13 pounds, something like that. But look at the gears inside here. This thing here. So the gear ratios on this is a 253. Same thing as a CRV and stuff like that. And let me see if I can pull this one up. Here you go. So this is the teeth on this here, and then you can see here in the wagon. So this is much beefier, and also you have an option of these things here are really cheap. They're anywhere from, like, you know, at the junkyard 120 to $300-400, you know, compared to one of these things here. So but what we're making is actually so this is a wagon, okay. Oops. And we're making this cover. We're going to make these in billet aluminum. The reason why we're making it, so this way here, if you have a mounting, it's mounted here. So it's mounted to the back like how it would be like for a using our diff mount, you know, or a Delta 7 or a billet diff mount. It will bolt up the exact same way, as you can see here. So compared to like the factory one right there, you see it? So this diff weighs about, it says right there, 55 pounds, and this is like 42 pounds. So it's about 13 pounds difference. Okay. So the good thing about this also is it has a bigger spline for the axles. As you can see here, this is a lot smaller. This is like a 25 spline, and not sure what this is, but it's really big. So that means that it will be like basically an upgraded axles. We're going to be making axles for this also. So basically what we're trying to do is we're going to have like a kit that comes with basically the cover, the back cover here to mount on here. So you could mount it like how you would a wagon or a CRV. And then on this side here will be, we're going to make a plate to come up here like this to mount up like the same mounting holes here. So we're doing that. And then as far as the axle goes, we're actually going to be making axles for these things, which will go into this diff. And then the outer, you know, we're not going to do it to the 23 spline, 23 spline like most of these are, because that will be the weak point. So what we're going to do is we're going to change our hubs. Okay, if you have our arms and all that, so all you got to do is basically change out the hubs to a 28 spline, 36 millimeter, and then the axles will come with the new, you know, stronger inner and outer, because the outer will be much stronger because it will be 36 millimeter axle nut, which is like a 28 spline. So we're going to be making axles for this diff also. And then also the front flange here, we're going to make a front flange for this also, where it just bolts right up to a 1310 flange. So it's going to be like a slip yoke that comes out to a 1310. So this way here, you don't need adapters, nothing like that. So this is what we've been working on here. You can find plenty of these at the junkyard. If you have any questions, you know, just leave it in the comment, and we'll try to answer as best as we could. All right. And like I said, these could be used in pretty much all the all-wheel drive Honda swap. It doesn't matter which motor you use, as long as you're using a 253 final transfer gear. So this is it, and this will be the cover here. So, all right, have a great day. And also, looking about 3 weeks to maybe the beginning of the new year, so we should have it available. All right, have a blessed day.